Today, up to 2.5% of the world's CO2 emissions could be prevented if heat exchangers performed optimally. It's not a lack of complicated technology that prevents them from doing so. One reason may actually be dirt. A possible solution to this emission problem is surprisingly simple. Meet ALF. ALF filter is specifically designed to eliminate clogging inside gasketed plate heat exchangers, which helps us take full advantage of inexpensive secondary water in our cooling systems. ALF is not like other filters. It is a compact, self-cleaning filter characterized by its effectiveness, fully automatic operation, and low maintenance. A high-quality filter with a unique ability to protect your equipment and secure its long-term performance. What's more, it pairs with Alfa Laval gasketed plate heat exchangers' full portfolio. With increased energy efficiency and maximized production uptime, you will also be rewarded with reduced CO2 emissions and OPEX savings. If you suspect you are contributing to the 2.5%, don't worry. Just team up with ALF and stay clean.